Hey! So, continuing from where we left off last time. So I think today is actually pretty nice, or pretty exciting, because what I'm going to try and do is get it to the point where you can actually buy cards using the program. So that would be very nice if I can get that done today. And I think that should be, well, easily possible, but I also want to do it in a way where it actually makes sense. Because simply buying a card at this point is not very difficult, but I want to get it where the UI kind of makes sense, to some point at least, to some extent. So I've done a little bit of work off stream already. So what I've done is I've made this IMX buy NFT function here, and also a function to getting the trade fee, though we're not going to use this one for now. We'll be using this one once we actually sell cards, because then we need to find out what the trade fee for the specific card is that we're trying to sell. So yeah, this function is not one that we're going to be calling directly, or actually, no. The function that we're directly going to be using is this buy order function, and this is located in a wallet. So the idea is that if you have a wallet, if the wallet is unlocked, you'll be able to call this function and then buy a card. Now, you might notice that there's this is locked check here, which will throw an exception if the wallet is still locked. Obviously, if you remove this, it still won't work if the wallet is locked, because the key or the private key for the wallet is not accessible as long as it's locked, because it's encrypted. But this is a nice way, I think, to prevent weird exceptions from happening later on, because otherwise it will simply crash. And I mean, it still does that, but this way we can actually catch exceptions a little bit more easily. Let's see. Yeah, maybe I should change that to a cryptographic exception like it is here. Nah, I'll keep it as a null. Maybe at some point I'll create a separate exception just for this, but for now this is fine. So, leaving that aside, the buy window also changed a little bit. So now, of course, what we do if we click the buy button, it just prints buying order and tries to buy it immediately. Though, of course, we are going to change this a little bit so that it makes slightly more sense, because this is just kind of some placeholder code just to test whether or not things are working. Also, on the buy screen itself, where is it? Buy window. Yeah, right now it's just always visible, but I want to have kind of a loading thing visible when it's buying. So yeah, so actually let's do that first. Let's get this centered on here somewhere, and this should be hidden normally. Oh, that's the name. Should be just collapsed. And we'll name this let's just call it spinner. There we go. Well, for now, obviously, I think I should probably keep it visible so that we can place it in the correct spot. So for now, what we want to do is actually, when we click buy, just hide everything and make the spinner visible, except for the card image, probably. Yeah, so we'll make everything invisible. We'll comment this out for now. What visibility is... Just set everything to collapse. We'll call this title, actually. Or got all of them. No, the title I think we'll keep visible. We'll reuse that. Okay. Now, for now, we'll hide this. Oh, it's still open. That's probably because these are in the way. So yeah, so we'll remove these as well. Part, quality, price, fees, and total. How should we call this? What makes sense? Menu or something. Should have been all of them, I think. Why is this not showing up correctly? Does it show up properly now? No. But I think it does show up properly if you put it somewhere like here. Or does it? Because then it's probably just because it's below other things. No! What is going on here? Huh. Does it matter at all if I move this up? No, it doesn't. That is weird. Why is it not rendering fully? I think this is maybe the issue. Yep. That's it. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so 0, 0 just puts it exactly at the center. You give it like negative offsets. So. See if I can get this. Oh, this is kind of okay, I think. Oh. Does this show up now? Let's see. Yeah, it does. Okay. That should obviously be bigger. Okay, we'll make this hidden again and see what it looks like. Yeah, definitely should be a little bit more to the right, I think. Still kind of looks like it's just a little bit too far to the left, all right? Yeah, maybe just like five or so more. Put it at like 85. I think that looks a little bit better. Okay, so the confirm purchase thing should actually not be a text block then. It should be a label because we can center those. Because if we change the text, otherwise it's not gonna look great. Oh, crap. Okay. See if I can copy this. 10. How does that work again? You want to center the text. Is it just the alignment? Yeah. There we go. Let's do this. Cool, and then it should show just the wallet unlock window. Do we maybe have some sort of error icon that we can use? That would be nice. Let's see. Oh crap. Should be an overview somewhere, I think. I kind of just want to see all the icons that are available. Want awesome icons. Okay, let's see. Well, they have plenty of icons, but I just need to find one that actually fits. Isn't there some sort of error icon? Oh. Ah, how does this work? I don't want it to spin. Do I just delete this part, or? I think so. Oh. I think you should be able to reach that. No, actually you can't get there, because by the time you get here, you'll always have a wallet linked, or at least you should have. Because if I say none, now I can't actually click the buy button. Okay, we'll get the unlock window. Let's see how that looks. Cool. Okay, that works. I still somehow have the idea that it is a little bit too far to the left. I don't know. Let's check a little bit more. This is like very amateurish, but whatever. Yeah, well, at least compared to the card itself. Well, I mean, I feel like it's actually not too bad. Because if we take this little part here, just move down from here. Like, it's almost exactly right, actually. It is very close. I don't think it's worth it trying to move that even more. I mean, maybe later. But yeah. No, not right now. Leave it open, actually. Also, because right now, I think we're likely to change the color scheme of the background, at least, at some point. So let's actually see how do we change the Why is this ignorable? What is that? Does that do anything? I don't know why that was there. But anyway, let's see. I think I should be able to change the... oh, crap, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's change the visibility first. So we can actually see what happens when we change this. Okay, so we only changed the outer part. That's okay, I think. I mean, we can also always add something like behind it, if it really becomes a problem. Or is there maybe even an some sort of opacity? No, this is fine actually. We'll leave it at this for now. Okay, so then we should unlock the wallet, or at least try to. Also, of course, if it's already unlocked, then we don't need to do any of this. It's just if not... Go here. Cool. Oh yeah, we should hide this again. So if I cancel, it says purchase cancelled. And if I enter an incorrect password, that's an incorrect password. I think this is the password for this wallet. No, it's not. Well, what is it then? What did I set the password to? This maybe? Yeah, that seems to be correct because nothing happened. Okay, then here it should change the message to buying card. Maybe I should make this an async. Though I actually don't think the unlocking part is done asynchronously. But we can check real quick. I call unlock wallet. I don't think the half a second freeze thing really matters too much. You know what? I think it does look better if it's done on a different thread. Like this is the part that takes a long time, the PBKDF2. This one. Where do I have that method located? Well, I mean, that's just something I import. That's not really... Is there some way to do that? No. Let's see, maybe I can copy that from the resource factory somewhere. Pretty sure I have a task thing, yeah. Could probably do something like this. Except it should be a byte array. Something like this, I think. Now this should crash on a few things, so let's fix this. Go. Let's see how this performs. So now hopefully, yeah, that's better. So now it doesn't stop spinning. We'll get to do this here as well. Yeah, great. Now actually it shouldn't, well, it should just stay, yeah, it immediately goes to buying card because now the wallet is simply unlocked. Now I actually don't want it to work like that. There should maybe be an option for keeping a wallet unlocked when you enter the password, but it shouldn't be like by default like it is here. So that option in the menu, I think I'm going to just remove that at some point. For now. What's it called? I think I have like an example order somewhere in here. Yeah, so what we're just gonna look for is this order ID string. If we find that, we know that the order was successful. For now, actually, I'm just gonna copy and paste this entire thing. Okay, so if it does this, then it succeeded. If it doesn't, then it failed. If it failed, we'll once again show the error. It's the error message. Also, I'll just write this. Okay. Oh, let's go back to our images. We have something with a check mark. Check circle. This one. Oh. Wait, yeah, so now we're gonna see what it looks like if it works. There should also be a close button, like underneath here. After it finishes. Make the cancel button visible again. Maybe just change the text. Be the other way around. I mean, it's not gonna matter that much, but still. Let me set left to maybe 100. Nah, I think we should just make a different button. It's probably easier. Does this have some sort of weird alignment setting or something that makes it... Yeah, that's the issue. Okay, let's see. Okay, hang on. I want this centered on the middle of this purchase, confirm purchase thing. So the title starts at 46 and has a width of 192. So 142. Wait, no way. What? No way, if I put this at 142, it's going to be way too far off to that side. Or is it just 96? Is it centered on like the middle? Probably. Wait, no, it's not. So if I put it at 0, it's exactly there. That's at 46, it should be exactly aligned. That has a length of... Ah, okay, of course. So it's 192. Yeah, 192 over 2 minus 50 plus 42. So 88. So that should be exactly centered. As for the height, that should be 305. Oh. Minus 50 again, so 103 maybe. See what this looks like at first. A little bit too low, I think. Maybe like 20 or so higher. That tends to work. So 83. Yeah, that's almost exactly where I had it before. Should be at 88. Oh. It's 50 minus 25, I think. 113. Something like this. Let's see how that looks. Feels slightly off. I don't know. I think it should be centered like this, but it doesn't look like it is. Okay, so yeah, it is centered actually. I'm just wrong, I'm just crazy. Maybe we should make the button a little bit wider so that it fits the length. Oh, cancel. Maybe then it will look a little bit better. I'll also make this like 100. It's at 88 as well. For now, that's okay, I think. What we do want to do, though, is make these the same. This one collapsed as well. Okay. There should not be a return here because we always want to relock the wallet at this point. But it works. I thought I still had to add. Oh no, of course, because I just simply copied the button. So I copied the event handler as well. So that's why it works. Why it actually closes when I hit the close button. Yeah, button cancel. Should probably rename that to button close. let's do that. Oh. What? I fixed that, didn't I? What the hell? That's weird. Oh, because I'm editing the unlock window. This is the one I should have been editing. Oh. Just happened. Okay, so now it should work. Great. Now, first of all, because the wallet I have added here is one that has a very minimal amount of Ethereum in it. So what we can try and first do is see if what happens. There's like 21 cents in here. So let's uncomment the line that actually makes it buy something. So let's see what happens when we let this make a real order. And now, first of all, I'm going to try and buy something that's way more expensive than what is in the wallet, so that we get an error message and we can change the so that we can change the code a little bit so that it actually works, that we can actually see what the error looks like. Purchase failed, of course. Yeah, and we get an insufficient balance for sell amount. Error. Actually, maybe we should just display the message that we get. Maybe that is already better. the error visible for a little bit. Close the can't close button. No, we won't. We're not going to do that. We're just going to update this to say that there was some sort of error. Actually, I'm starting to think whether or not I should even do this in the first place, because what I'm probably going to be doing, there should actually just be a check on whether or not you have enough balance way before you actually get to this point. But I'm only going to be adding that a little bit later. So for now, I actually don't even think... I think just showing purchase failed and printing the error message into the console is actually good enough. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep it at this for now. Yeah, I'll keep it at this. But we do need to show the close button when this happens. So, one thing to think about. Let's see. Why are we not seeing the close button? Ah, because we didn't add it here. Actually, the close button is going to be shown regardless. So we might as well just put that here and then remove it here. Okay. Now it does relock the wallet, right? Yeah, it does relock. We cancel, the same thing happens. Now let's try and see if we can buy something that it actually can. That we actually do have enough Ethereum for. I still need a second one of wolf recruits. So let's buy this. Let's actually make it so that we can see whether or not it enters my wallet by going to my assets here. So, oh, we still have the, from our Python testing, we still have the aspect juggler on sale for 1 ETH. Nice. Okay, so let's see if this works. We'll click buy. We go. Purchase failed. Okay, what was the message we got? Ah, okay, so it did actually succeed. Yeah, there it is. But it should say trade ID, not order ID. That's the problem. Let's edit that in our code just really quick. There we go. Kind of unfortunate, but hey. Yeah, now there's one of these in this wallet, which I will transfer to my main account in a bit. I mean, obviously it's not going to show up here right now, because this wallet that we have linked here, this wallet is actually not linked up with my GU account, and this is pulling from my GU account and not from the wallet, and here it's pulling from the wallet and not the GU account. So we can see it here, but not here. And I mean, even if it was linked, we wouldn't see it here immediately, we'd have to restart the program. So we are going to add like a bar here for like refreshing the wallet contents so that we can actually see it update. But that's not here yet. Also, there needs to be some way to order these by like price or something. But we'll do that a little bit later. How much ETH do I have left? Like 10 cents. Actually, anything else that I can buy real quick to show whether or not it works now? Radical Revenant. Do I have 2 of those already? Filter is the commons. No, I don't actually. So I could maybe buy one of these. Okay, but first of all, let's restart. Let's minimize this. Let's restart. See if it works now. So now it does check for trade ID, which should work. Great, purchase complete. And there it is. Cool, okay, so that's really nice. So that's kind of what I wanted to get done at the very least for today. Now, maybe I'll work on this a little bit more later, because the next things that we have to do, first of all, I mean, of course, is the... Maybe I'll rename this My Orders thing to, like, My Cart or something, because I do want to make a screen where you can sell your cards as well, and then a transfer, of course. Geez, do I have left on this account? Should be like nothing, right? Yeah, less than 1 cent. Yeah. So next up will be orders and transfers, but maybe I will start actually with cleaning up the UI a little bit. So there should be a bar here for how much Ethereum, gold, and IMX tokens we actually have on the account. And there should not be this unlock and export wallet thing should not be here, I don't think. Like exporting wallet should probably be within the manage wallet section. And it shouldn't show the private key when you click this, it should just like maybe copy it to your clipboard or something like that. Maybe that's, or at least give you the option to copy it to the clipboard. Yeah. But that's something for next time. I'm pretty happy to see that at least the buying now works, so that's nice. So yeah, see you next time.